in the air.
These are frigets, he said. It's a little one, guys. Oh no, it's slow mo. Okay, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go.
It's like birds out here.
Frigets.
Frigets. San Pedro, Belize. Rob's feeding the fidgets.
Frigid.
Frigets. Midgets.
Oh shit, that was a terrible throw. Sorry guys. There we go, the single one.
It's like birds.
Like what? Oh really? Where? Cape Cocker, yeah? Oh, good job.
It's all fun and games till they poop on you. What was your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Yeah.
At what's the place called?
Laguna Bar and Grill.
Laguna Bar and Grill. All
Same
right.
place, same time.
All right. Thank you. We'll put you up on YouTube.
All right, man. You have a channel?
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Yes, please do. Rob's feeding the frigets. Wow. They're good catchers.
Yeah, they are. My arms get tired. You want to throw some?
All right, don't forget the these guys down here.
Fish?
Yeah.
Are they
Here,
waiting?
I'll help them.
Okay.
You take one of these guys. Oh boy, they like fish. Tarpon.
Fish like fish.
Fish eating fish.
Cannibals.
The tarpon. Oh, like Jaws. So we're having fun here in Belize.
Feeding fish and birds.
Feeding the tarpon and the birds.
Frigates.
Frigates.
Frigates. Food's ready, right? Okay, thank you.
They're like little piranha.
Oh yeah.
Let's dump them all in there.
Yeah?
Yeah, see what happens.
Okay, you guys ready?
Oh, let them go crazy. Wow. Pretty cool.
Yay.
All right, we knocked that off the bucket list.
Now we gotta wash our hands for sure.
We'll get you a video soon. Here's the water. We got a fisherman over here fishing away. San Pedro, Belize. Pretty cool. All right, bye.